All right, this is Catholic Girls by Frank Zappa from Joe's Garage. This has a lot of cool odd time stuff. This has some cool funk chords, cool melodies all through it. So we're gonna start out with this 9/16 intro. What we do is we're gonna bend the 4th fret of the G string. We're gonna go. So we're gonna bend it, and then 2 bends. And I'll use my other finger to get this little 2 on the bottom string down here, but you could pick that as well if you wanna reach it down there. So that's in 9/16. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you were to break it all down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're gonna do that 6 times, and then we're gonna do one more bend on that 4, which switches to 4/4 at that time. So let me just count you in with the 3/4. We're gonna do that riff 6 times, and then one more bend. So 3, 4. And then you got da 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 bum, and then we're into the chorus. We go. Okay, so that's F sharp major, down to the B, and then kind of a bass, and then the chord. So bum 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 bum, and then we have an upstroke. This is a D sharp minor, C sharp major. So it's 3, 4. Okay, so 3 times of that, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so we got B, 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 and then jump to an E bass there before the E major chord. So 3 E's to that C sharp major. So this whole chorus again, 3, 4. Now here's the second time through that chorus, gonna have a different ending, 3, 4. Okay, so A to B that time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we get into this funk chord, this 7/9 chord. So it's 4 with the middle finger on the A string, 3, and then this is that one where you got to get that ring finger to get those bottom ones. So 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. So what we do here is after we had. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a couple of bars for each one of these. So 3, 4. Now we're gonna move to the 9th fret bass with the same chord, and then the 6th fret, and then the 11th fret bass, 7th fret, 12th fret. Okay, so it just goes chromatic down from that 11. Okay, and then we're back into our main chorus there, 3, 4. Now we're gonna have the first ending this time, so we're gonna go. Okay, and then we're into the solo. This is the 9/16 to 7/8 thing. So it goes 9/16 twice, and then a measure of 7/8. It does that 3 times, and then it has 2 measures of 11/16. So that sounds crazy, I know, but it's not that hard when you just look at this little guitar riff. So we're gonna have. So that's a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're gonna do that thing twice. So now we're gonna go only 3 bends. We're gonna do that twice. Okay, so see how it goes? So it's 4 bends, and then the little 2, and you do that twice, and then it's 3 bends in little 2, and you do that twice, and then you cycle that whole thing 3 times. So it's 3, 4. Okay, that's a whole pattern that goes 3 times. So I'll try to go through the whole thing. Here we go. 3, 4. Okay, so that's the 11/16. It goes. So they're kind of slower, right? So now, as soon as you do that third one, you got to start right back on the next set of it. And then you're back to the top. Okay, and that's the whole crazy solo section in that odd time. So we also can look at the rhythm behind that. Okay, so it's bum 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 bum. See that? You got those strange timings there. We got. And these are like bum 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 da bum 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 da bum 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 bum. See that? So 3 of those. Then we're gonna go. So that's B to E. We got bum bum ba da da bum bum da da da. And we're right back. So it'd be. Now the second time we're gonna go. Okay, A to B, same rhythm with that bum bum da 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 bum bum da da da. Okay, then we're back to the. So that was 4th fret bass note up to the 9th. Then we're gonna go 6 to 11 and 7 to 12. So let's try that. 3, 4. Back into your chorus. Okay, now we have a couple melodies going on here. In this odd time signature solo bit, we have a melody that goes. Okay, then there's an outro melody we're gonna look at too. So this is 14th fret of the 2nd string. Hit that twice, then little 12, and then 12 on the 2nd string to 11 on the G. So. Then we're gonna go 11, 11, 11, 13, 13, 13. 13's on the G, 11's on the B. So. And then it would be those chords going on. So the first chords would be like. And then we have the A to B. Back into your verse stuff. Okay, now there's a melody, there's an outro melody on our chorus. It's gonna be. It's gonna be. Okay, so it starts with 2 9s here in the first string. And then the repeating part is going to start right after those 2. So it's going to go. So that was 9 6 9 7 9, and then 7 9 6. So it's. And then you go. So 8 on the G to 7s on the B. And then 8 6, and then 7 7 7 8 6. And then 1 little 9 before we get started again. Okay, so it's. And just today I realized that this is the melody from Jewish Princess, if you listen to it. Okay, so very cool stuff in here. Catholic Girls, like I said, we got the. Da 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 da. And. Okay, your second ending was. You got the verse. All the way. Okay, let me get into the solo. We got the. Do that a bunch of times then. And then it all repeats. And then we're into a chorus again. We got the. Okay, and then we have the solo rhythm. All that kind of stuff. And the other ending is. Back into a verse and a chorus and the outro melody. Okay, Catholic Girls, Frank Zappa from the great Joe's Garage triple album. 2 pages of tabs. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon.